All right. So here we go. All right, folks. So look what we've got here. We just got a Polymer AR-15 80% lower and a Polymer Glock 80% lower as well. So this here is the 80% Polymer Glock frame with the included jig. Also came with a sticker, a couple drill bits, and some of the hardware for the frame. But let's take a look at this lower here. So it's a Polymer 80. Got it from Polymer80.com. I think I spent, it was it's 160 bucks. 160 for this. Comes with the jig. There's the frame. This is the PF9 40 V2, and basically I'm gonna build a Glock 34 with this here. So you know, a long slide Glock. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. It's gonna be cool. So you remove the material. I'm pretty sure you remove, I believe, this piece here, this piece, obviously, and then you remove a little bit of this here, because this is where the recoil spring goes. So yeah, so there's the 80% Glock lower that we're gonna do. So look at that here, and then we're going to do a Polymer AR-15 because I've got a whole bunch that are aluminum, metal, billet, and forged, but I wanted one a really lightweight one. So for 60 bucks, I got this guy. Here it is with the jig included. Came with the jig, and then some drill bits, and mill, and then a piece here. I'm probably just gonna use my 80% arms jig to cut this. I believe it should work. It's a universal jig, and I'm pretty sure the dimensions of the fire control group are the same. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna use my 80% arms jig to cut this lower. So here's a forged aluminum 80% lower, right? And here's a polymer one. And yeah, obviously, I mean, this one's lighter because it's polymer. So that'll be cool. I had a couple of videos of me milling out ARs using the 80% arms jig, but I ended up making them private because I was worried they were going to get removed for violating YouTube community guidelines. Because I actually had 3 videos. Sorry, I had 3 videos uploaded and of me milling out 80% lowers, and one of the 3 got removed for violating community guidelines. So I just made the other 2 private because I was worried that they were going to get removed and I was going to receive a strike against my channel. And I think if you get like either 2 or 3 strikes within a 2-month period, your channel just gets permanently banned and removed. So I figured I'd just make them private, and hopefully I don't get banned. But I'm not doing anything that's violating community guidelines if I post an unboxing video on these lowers and show you what they are. Yeah, so stock up on 80% lowers while you can, because I believe at this point now it is a little over a month before the ATF ruling goes into effect. That's going to pretty much ban, my understanding of it is that it's going to ban 80% lowers, receiver blanks, etc., etc. So today is July 22nd, and again, I think it's August 20-something that the ruling is going to come into effect. So definitely start if you haven't already, getting some more 80% lowers. Do it while you can, because my understanding is, again, that once this ruling goes into effect, you're not going to be able to get them. I could be incorrect about that. I would love to be incorrect about it, but if I'm not, I want you to get them before you can't anymore, okay? So, do it. Please. Do it for yourself. Do it for me. Get yourself some more 80% lowers.